How to call a person with voice commands. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can call a person with voice commands on your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that you have to first of all open up your settings. So open up settings in your device. Here scroll all the way down, then tap on Google. And make sure that you're logged in with your Google account, which will pop up in this interface with your Google account in your name. So from here, tap on All Services button. Here scroll down a bit and under Settings for Google Apps, tap on Search Assistant and Voice. After you're on this page, now you have to tap on the third option as Google Assistant. After that, again tap on the first option, that is Hey Google and Voice Match. Tap on it. Now here, if you want to call someone with your voice commands, make sure this toggle that says Hey Google is turned on. Now you can access your assistant anytime saying Hey Google when your screen is on. So to call someone, you can say Hey Google, call this person, and you can call out their name from the contact in your device. And if you want these features to work in your lock screen mode, what you have to do is, once you have turned on this toggle, you can go back and from here tap on lock screen. And if you want your assistant to work in lock screen mode, make sure this toggle is turned on that says assistant response on lock screen. So during your lock screen also, you can call someone with your voice command saying that Hey Google, call the person, and you can call out their name from your contact list. So this is the way to call a person using the Google Assistant with your voice commands. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.